Train approaching, people! Behind your line! Train approaching! Whoa, that train. Okay, this time it's the Acela Express? Huh. Oh, weird. Yeah. What? It's slowing down to stop here? Huh. Odd. Yeah, Amtrak Acela Express don't usually stop at this station. Must be a change of plan. Where? Yeah, Amtrak Acela Express don't usually stop here. Must be a special occasion. Must be stopping here. Oh well.
It's the old one.
Good. I'm glad it is. This is odd. This is surprising to see an Amtrak Acela Express train slowing down to stop at New Carrollton. Hi, Acela Express. Wow. Weird.
Flip it.
Wait a minute. Oh, we're not stopping. Oh, we're not stopping. Oh, we're not stopping. Not stopping. But what? Oh, we're not stopping. He's not stopping, people. Never mind. Never mind. But why so slowly? Very express coming through, but slowly? Huh. It's not like the Acela Express to go that slow. Huh. That's weird, people. It's not like the Acela Express to go slow. Must be track work. Nah, the Acela Express runs on electricity. Just like the other no TV, no train. So no, it does not have a battery. Oh wait, it's picking up speed. It's going. Bye, Acela. Huh. Although the Acela Express could stop at the Carrollton station, people. What do you think? Weird, but cool. At least you got to see a number on the local mall, on the cab, on the front control car, and the rear control car, on the front power car. Oh well.